sure that we're in the game. Unless God sent you, I'm unavailable. Period. MAKEUPSY here. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another unboxing. I did a previous unboxing on my channel with the Want See wraps. If you guys haven't seen that, you might want to check that out. I am beyond excited about this one. Not to say I wasn't excited about that one, let's not even say that, but I was excited about that because I love her wraps. But this one is a life changer for me because I just want to give you guys a backstory before I even mention this product. Most of you guys know that I suffer from hair loss on my edges. They're growing back, as you guys can see. It's a little peach fuzz there, but not much of an edge. I've struggled with hair loss on my edges for years now. I mean, I've tried everything from mixed oils to products that says edges and, you know, all sorts of things. But this basically targets audience with hair loss with alopecia, with diseases on hair loss in the hair, edges mainly. Even targets men with beards who won't grow, beards who grow kind of funny, and everything like that. So without further ado, can I get a little drum roll, please? I have here a package from EdgeEntity. Yes, if you don't know about this brand, you might want to check them out on Instagram. They're on Facebook, YouTube, all that. And I've been following them for years now. I just been like a little afraid, you know, like a little skeptic, like it might not work for me. I didn't try everything for my hair. I can't even express how many things I've used, and I always mention my edges. I always get like a little self-conscious when I do certain hairstyles on here, and I don't care. Like, I don't care if somebody say, "Ugh, look at her hair, she's missing edges," but I don't care because I've dealt with it within myself. Like, I've told myself, like, we still cute, and that's on period. I don't care about none of that. Like, I still finesse the edges, I still look cute, I make sure my hair is laid, and that's on period. This is a package that I've been, sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and open this package. And I'm just overly excited because not only is sis losing weight, skin getting clear, but her edges, oh, it just got so much. God is just so good.
Can't nobody tell me.
So boom, we just go. I'm just so eager. I'm excited. I just want you guys to know that I'm super stoked. This is inside of the package. It comes like this. First things first, it comes with a pamphlet, basically instructions on how to use their products and basically how to apply it and what, like, the steps to apply it. Even here they give you basically like a thank you note, and what it says, I'm gonna go ahead and read it for you guys. So it says, "Hey, I see you decided to take a chance on us, so for that I thank you." Thank you. You could have chosen any brand to grow your hair, but you chose us. I know you were probably skeptical. Wow, you guys are reading my mind. Like, what? But don't worry, we got you covered, period. So many brands promised so many things, they did. So I want to let you know that we don't make any promise or guarantee, but we can definitely try our best to grow that hair back and that you've been missing. Whether it's you or a family member or friend or someone you care about, we want to make it happen. So today is the start of a new journey I'm glad to be a part of. Let's celebrate. Let's cheers to allowing EdgeEntity to be a part of your new hair growth journey. Don't forget to read the instruction inside, take pictures, and I hope you love your progress. Love, I want to say her name right. I want to say Aquila, A-Q-I-L-A, CEO and founder. That's so sweet. And then on the back right here is basically you win a free jar. Send your before and after photos to our pic email and text your pic, or text it to this, and if we post your pic, you win a free jar. So that's cool. It comes with this hair growth stimulant. It's basically like 60 capsules in here. It has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, E, B1, B2, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin B5, biotin, calcium is about 200 milligrams. It has iron, magnesium oxide, it has zinc oxide, and it has bamboo extract, horsetail extract, barley grass powder, palmetto, good stuff. Okay, it says for adults, take 2 capsules daily, preferably with food. Cautious, do not exceed a recommended dose. Pregnant or nursing mothers, children under 18, and individuals with a known medical condition should consult a physician before using this, or any dietary supplement. I am taking dietary supplements. That's kind of like a concern for me. I think that's like the only concern, but they're Garcinia pills, so it's not any harsh supplements that's inside of that pills, but I'm still going to take precautions and do my research before I get to indulging in this. But yeah, that's good. So this is the follicle stimulant right here. So that's that. Super stoked about this. So boom, let's talk about this one first. The vitamins are ideal for all over hair growth and long-term use. The cream is typically used for target problem areas and quicker results. So I'm going to be using this for my edges, and the middle of my hair has finally grown back because I used to do these puffs all the time. So I guess the middle of my hair just decided to just stay that length, but sis is growing. Oh, God. Okay, so I'm going to open this. I'm going to show you guys how it looks. It smells like vitamins. Honestly, it smells like oatmeal, like dried oats. So this is how it looks. And they said that you can basically open this capsule, which it is kind of like an opening to it. It's 1 month of pills, I guess, 30 days. So yeah, mind you, I'm gonna post a couple of pictures of people before and after that I was basically shook by, because I don't think people understand how bad not having edges are. Because having certain hairstyles, you can't get certain hairstyles, you can't pull your hair too much. That's why I always wear the puff. You only wear, whenever I do those buns and stuff like that, they're never tight. I mean, never. It may look like it's tight, but they are not tight, because my edges are so soft. As you guys can pretty much tell, my edges are really, really soft. Even around the perimeter of my hair, especially the back, is super, super soft. So I have to be very cautious on putting certain hairstyles in my hair. I don't want my hair to break off, because it does break off pretty easily. So this, to me, this right here is progress. I know it's bald, I'm aware of that, but it's not bald to, it's a little, as you guys can see, it's just like a little peach fuzz there, because this hair there, I feel it, I'm pulling it, as well as on this side is hair there, but it's still just like the other side. Is nothing here. The follicles are completely closed. They are completely closed. All my baby hairs are here. This one little spot right here is bald. I'm gonna do the first one today. So it starts out like this. It's pretty much closed off. Oh goodness. So I'm gonna use whatever is on this top right here. I'm gonna use that for my edges. Oh my God. This reminds me of PM hair products that I used on my previous video. If you guys haven't seen that, on the black owned natural hair products that I got sent to me, this smells just like it. Yes, and I know it's gonna work because it has peppermint oil in here and the coconut milk. So I think that's what gave it the color. Oh goodness, I know this is gonna work. Ah, thank you, Jesus. Okay, so boom. Okay, a little tingleness. My mom always say that if it tingles, it's working. So that is my motto. And I'm just working it in there. Oh, I feel that tingle over there. Y'all having a party over there, huh? And I'm just gonna put the rest of this because I put too much. So, and I cannot wait to see how my hair grows over here, because I never really paid attention to my hair growing up. My mom always did my hair. I never had to take care of my hair. She always did my hair for me up until I was in high school. And then when I got in high school, she used to just braid it all the time. My cousin would braid my hair. I never really had to do my hair for real. Not until I was like a senior, and then I used to just do different hairstyles, but they always took care of my hair. So growing up, I think the most I've done was ponytails, and that was it. I had a hairstyle where I had Ghana braids, and after that, my edges was gone, and sis never came back. She moved away. My edges, they left. Sis packed up and moved without a note, without a notice. She just left. She said, "You want to get this hairstyle? That's on you, baby." But guess what I'm gonna do? Pack up and leave. I'm on that midnight train to Georgia. That's exactly what she did. Just put it on here and I feel amazing. It's just a tingling feeling, and I'm pretty excited about this. I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated with my progress. This is just day one. I will be back with a weekly update. As you guys can see, this is 60 capsules, so it's 1 month to be exact. I wanted to start in February, but I know how I am, so I'm going to start now. 30 days. I'm going to do weekly updates, and you guys will see the growth with me. So you're going to be on this journey right along with me. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am so appreciative of EdgeEntity. Thank you guys so much for sending me these products. I am so grateful, so honored, and I am ready to start this journey, and I hope that you guys are ready to start it with me, and hopefully one day buy you guys some products. I will link everything, their Facebook, their Instagram down below. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will give you guys a weekly update, so be on the lookout. Put on those post notifications so you can see these videos are dropping back to back. I am prepared, I am ready, and I cannot wait to see my edges. This summer is litty, okay? I cannot wait. I can't wait. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and see you guys next tutorial. Thanks again for watching. Bye.